Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create an IT ticket. We're starting here on the Decatur County Community Schools website. The address is decaturco.k12.in.us. This is the home screen. You'll see the quick links section on the right of your screen, and you want to click on the employee quick link. And at the very bottom, you'll see ticket, and you want to click there. This will take you to the home screen for 5-Star Technology Solutions, that company is the one who facilitates our ticket process. Your username is going to be the first part of your email address, usually your first initial and last name. And your password is your server password that you also would have received when you got your email information. You want to click on the location, and we're at the elementary school, so we're NDES, and log in. This is the home screen for the ticket center, and we're going to create a new ticket. So we're going to click here. And the department, we're going to choose iPads because we're going to request an iPad. The category will be general. And our priority, you can choose summer. There's probably not a lot of activity going on, so it's probably okay to leave it at medium. Building, again, we're going to click North Decatur Elementary. The room, if you know it, my room happens to be 401, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And asset, there's nothing there. On the description, you're just going to kind of explain, I am a new teacher at NDE, and I would like to request an iPad. And note, it requires something in there, so you can just put something to the effect of, please let me know when it is ready so that I can pick it up. The contact type is defaulted to email, so any information, change, update to this ticket will be sent to your email. And if you happen to be creating a ticket for a problem, perhaps something on for functionality of some computer equipment either in your room or with your iPad, you might want to attach a screenshot or something here, but there's no need for that in our situation. Then we're just going to create a ticket, and it will take us back to the home screen that after we logged in, and we're all done. And what I want to show you is then if you go to your email, you will get a ticket support notification where it will highlight the information that you chose and the information that you put in. And what you'll need to do there for the purposes of the next exercise in your orientation program is to print this. And you want to make sure your destination is set to PDF, or you could screenshot it possibly. Click Save, and you're going to put it in a folder, and then you can attach it in the next exercise in the video. So there you have it. It's as easy as that.